Great day. I'm Bridget Dickey, the CEO and founder of Dickey Financial Services, a wealth management firm here in Houston, Texas. And you are invited to our business owners and tax all things workshop. This workshop is designed for business owners to help you get your life financially organized as a business owner. I did the same thing when I first started the business. I had no idea what I was doing. I just had a vision, I had a dream, and I just went out there and started the business. But it's things that if I would have known when it comes to taxes, preserving my estate, making sure that I have a plan that I'm not dying in this business. Like, what is your succession plan? What is your retirement plan? So, what I want to share with you, myself and my co host, we are here to make sure that your tax game is on point, that you have a financial plan as a business owner, and that you are prepared. So, when someone looks at your paper, and they see you, they see a successful, thriving business. They have their numbers together, they're good to go. We want you to get capital. It's things that you need to know and have your business prepared. And we are here to give you all the strategies and the tips you need. So join me. Make sure you go register now. This event will sell out and it is limited seating. So join me.